Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video I will show you that how you can edit photos like you see on my thumbnail. In this video I will show you that how you can edit photos like you see on my thumbnail. So don't waste any time. First you need one app. You have to come onto your Play Store, and please don't skip the video, you will miss an important step. So after coming to Play Store, you have to search for Photo Lab. So Photo Lab. After searching for Photo Lab, the app will open. So you can see here this have a lot of cartoon effects and others. So I have installed it already. You can see here open option for me. So I will open it right now, and I will open Photo Lab. So this app is opening right now. So you have to skip this 3 day trial. So you can see here this is in the trending category that are using right now, and some of these are pro. You can see here the Instagram profile. So these are all the photo designs. So if you go to the top category, there will be the toppest images designs here in this category. So you can see here the cartoon effects, the line, all of you can see here this is the effects that we are using right now, and we will use some of another effects as well. Please don't skip the video. So I will click on this effect. After clicking on the effect, you have to click on this option for uploading your image to this website. So I will click on. After clicking on, so I will come on to my gallery and upload this image. So you can see here this is my image. I will click on this button right here. So I will click on it. After clicking on the button, you can see here it's processing 6 steps to complete, and it's too easy. So it will complete right now, and as I will be live with you for completing process. You can see here 3 steps have been completed, 4 and 5, 6, and almost done. So it will take a few seconds. We have to wait and see. So after the effect have been done, so you have to click on this button for, so I will change the color of this image to be visible for you. So you can see here you have to click on this button, and your design will be ready. So I will click on this button, and you can see here my design have been ready, and you can add text and others effects, animations to this image right now, and a few other designs as well. For downloading, you have to click on this these three dots after clicking, and you have to click on save to device. So this is the first, and I will show you that what is. So you can see here these are the designs that you can apply to your image. This is a great app, and you can see here these are the free. So you can see here they are the love images as well. So I will click on the love. So this will show a top category of this hashtag of love. So I will skip the video. So you can see here my internet connection is a little bit of a slow. It will load up, and you can see here these are the designs that you can build your photos with. You can see here another designs have been, and these are the designs that you can use, and every hashtags have a lot of designs. You can see here the cartoon, the background, and Ramadan, and happy birthday, Eid Mubarak, and family cool, Ramadan Mubarak, and beautiful. And these are the designs that you can make your photos with. So all this for the video. Like the video, share the video with your friends, and please subscribe the channel. Bye.